And now, more from The View from Hampton U.
Hi, I'm Dr. Desiree Williams, Interim Director of the William R. Harvey Leadership Institute and Assistant Professor in the Department of Physical Therapy here at Hampton University. So the world of pageants is something I sort of stumbled into. My very first pageant was actually the Miss Hampton University pageant, my senior year here at HU. And I just wanted to be our homecoming queen, for lack of a better term. So of course you had to compete in a pageant, the Miss HU pageant, in order to be the school's homecoming queen. So there's a lady on campus, Tasha Etter, who, again, for lack of a better term, kept nagging me about doing a local pageant. And so for about a year, I put her off and said no. I was beginning my first year of the doctoral program in physical therapy here at Hampton and just didn't think I had the time. But I decided that I'd enter the pageant and just try my luck, and I won the pageant, lo and behold. And I actually called my mom that night and said to her on the phone, "Mom, I won." And because I hadn't made a big deal out of it, her response was, "Won what?" But I went to Miss Virginia that summer, placed first runner-up. I went back the following year and I won the title of Miss Virginia and had the opportunity to represent the Commonwealth at the 2013 Miss America competition. So that's sort of how my whole experience with pageants began, is just wanting to be the homecoming queen at my home by the sea, and now it's led me to having not only had the opportunity to compete at Miss America, but this summer I'll have the opportunity to compete at Miss USA. So in January 2016, I became the interim director of the Leadership Institute. And so it's been wonderful. Not only to have that ability to interact with the students, but it really does force you to stay on top of your A game. Because students have questions and they want to know all of those what ifs. And as a professor, it's part of your responsibility to be able to answer those what ifs. So I thank the students for continuing to challenge me each and every day to go home and continue to study and continue to read up on research and really be current and relevant in the material that I'm presenting. So right now there's not a whole lot of free time, but generally speaking, I enjoy traveling. That's kind of my passion, and I tell people all the time the only reason I work is so that I can afford to travel. But just last year I went to Australia, I went to New Zealand, I went to Mexico, all in 2015, and I hope to continue that traveling because I enjoy it very much. Hampton has given me so much more than I could have ever imagined, and I tell people all the time that deciding to come to Hampton University is literally the best decision I have ever made in my life. And if you talk to anyone who knew me as a student, I was very quiet, very shy, very reserved. So Hampton, I owe the world to, because it's truly transformed me. Now that I can stand in front of thousands, maybe even millions of people and speak without being, well, sometimes I get afraid, but I can speak and perform and do what I have to do in the realm of pageants. I absolutely couldn't have done that having entered campus as a freshman. So Hampton has transformed the person that I am, and I owe that to not only my professors here, but also the leadership here at HU. And we've got the most awesome university president, Dr. Harvey, who has believed in me since day one, since the day he met me, and continues, even in this role, to challenge me to do things beyond what I even know or think that I'm capable of. So Hampton has kind of that spark to it where it challenges you to be your very best and to rise to the occasion every time.